Love spring mornings. So I decided I would take you along. I don't have my good mic on. I don't have any mic on. But I just wanted to share a few minutes in the garden. It's always so pretty in the morning. Is Rua about to bloom? Some new guys I got. Haven't planted yet. Can barely see my broken pot. I love spring mornings. Okay, now I'll take you to the not so pretty spring morning part of my morning. And I have been tackling this section that was completely all weed grass. I got all of that finished. Well, got one little patch in the middle, right there. Pull that out, and I'm done. Oh my gosh, I am pooped, but ooh, it's done. And I can enjoy the rest of the morning. Oh, let me show you this. Oh, there's one tulip. There's another tulip right there. But I wanted to show you this, because when this fruit tree blooms out, it is gorgeous. And I'm really loving that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And I saw I have an artichoke here. Right in there. First artichoke. Oh, and more More tulips. So pretty. It's too bad they don't last longer. But I'll have some more coming too. And the sweet peas are growing nicely over there. Loving that. Oh, my salvias are starting to bloom again. So it'll be hummingbird madness here pretty soon. Oh, let me introduce you to a new member of the garden if you haven't seen already. This is the Japanese maple that I got from Iron Pony Nursery, and I'm really excited about it. If I can find the video or a picture of it when it was at Iron Pony last year and all leafed out, I'll put it up, but it's got little buds on it. See if I can get the camera to focus. Very exciting. I was busy this week. I've been really busy trying to get a lot of stuff accomplished in the garden. There's the baby blue eyes. So cute. A lot of calendula. This is what I've been working on too, is getting some succulents put in there, clearing weeds, getting succulents put in there, getting some mulch down. So it's coming along. And then I have a new gardening friend that lives in the area, and he gave me some aloe cuttings, and really super psyched about that. They're like these candelabras, I believe. They get huge. So he gave me some cuttings, several cuttings, and I'm going to put those down along that hillside there too. So I just have them setting under the shade tree and letting the ends dry a little bit before I put them in the ground. So I have a few things plugged along there. Anyway, that's the spring morning from the garden, and it is my favorite time of year. Spring mornings in the garden. And enjoy your garden, because it is the most beautiful time in the garden right now. So pretty. Oh, my status is starting to come back. I have that one. Oh, and look, foxgloves. That one, and then I have another one somewhere. The alyssum is putting on a show big time, and I've been meaning to cut it back a little bit so it will keep on blooming. Here's my other sweet peas, and I need to make a bigger trellis for that to grow along a little. I'll have to work on that too. And let's see. There's the other status. Love status. Pretty spring morning. Got a little freesia here too. This is my first freesia bloom. so pretty. And they smell so good. If we had smell-o-vision, you'd be smelling it right now and being like in heaven. Beautiful scent. Well, I hope you have a wonderful weekend and enjoy the beautiful sunshine if you have it. We're so blessed. You guys take care.